talagang sabaw.
Okay,
Ayos, magbigay. Ano mo, Bigo?
Ha?
Bago ang lahat, siyempre, salamat sa lahat sa mga effort. Lahat, lahat. It's a history, bro. It's a history in the Chili Beans since Abdulatif pandemic. Okay, so the main thing why we achieve this one is for everyone. Effort. Alright, everyone's effort. That's the main thing why we achieve it. And everyone knows that. Each of you knows that. That your effort is very important, right? So still not finished. Wait, this is only May, and we still have a lot of month. Inshallah, everyone can achieve again. Okay. But some did not achieve the 100%, 120%. So still have a chance. That one, especially Marina and shop. The shop, I give that to you. Okay. First, I will give. Okay, there's a two incentives from Chili Beans here. Wait, and there's a Brazil incentive.
Wow!
Okay, I will give first from the Brazil incentive, which is for Kiran.
Okay lang, sir. Amigo, magingay ang Kiran.
Yo! Then you achieve. We go first in Kiran. Okay, Kiran, Yazan. Achieve 120%. Sorry. This one Yazan. And this one for Philip.
Migo, pakidalingan ito. Gusto tanggapin yung award, Migo.
And of course, Guy.
Yun, no? Shout out, mga amigo. Shout out.
Next is Avenues Kios, 120%. And Avenues Shop, 100%.
Mia!
Paldo.
Achieve 100%.
Right!
Amigo, pakamay, Migo.
Kasunod-sunod na.
Sunod na yan.
This one for Lolis, achieve Marina 100% and 120% in Avenues. So, you achieve 100%. And also for Frenzy, 120% and next is Ate
Ikaw,
Denise.
papasya.
Achieving 120%. Of course, that but not the least, Alma. Achieving 120%. Batang-bata sa weight. Okay. Virgin ka ko, wala. Okay. Thank you so much. All.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you all guys.
Thank you, sir.
Inshallah next time. Next month ulit, this month.
So much.
Ano gusto niyo? Ayo, picture tayo. Sino maganda sila dalawa?
Share na lang yung picture.
Okay na, Bigo.
Okay na, Migo.
Picture tayo.
Oo.
Picture.
Ha?
Hindi,